And as you all know from last week's debate, I'm a part of the International Olympic Committee. Or if you're being schmancy, IOC. But who wants to be schmancy? Not me. Anyway, this week, the breaking news, we are looking for something new. What's new? Well, we're looking for the model Olympian. What does that mean, you ask? I asked that too. Apparently, it means someone that emits, glows, transcends the Olympic spirit. Are you what we're looking for? Are you the true Olympian? Join us. Join me. And we'll find out. Bye, guys.